Welcome back everyone to Pontos Fathom Hobbies. This is our paint through video for A Song of Ice and Fire tabletop miniature game. We've got the Thorn Watch units on the tabletop. We're also going to paint two of the Baratheon Heroes 2 set. We're going to be painting Renly Baratheon with the Stag Knight helmet and Sir Loras Tyrell. So we've got the miniatures out. We'll do some quick zooms on these. We'll get them zenithal primed and then go into base coating. So thank you for watching. So I base coated these in a brown paint, and I'm going to do that because there's a lot of brown details on these. I'm going to go into base coating the robes, their chainmail, their armor, and their weapons, and we will see you later in the video. Yeah, I did a little bit of washes on these. I got the bases painted, some details on the weapons. I'm liking how they look. We're going to have a quick word from this channel's sponsor, and then I'll see you on the tail end of the video with the hero shots. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to support the channel, we've got a bookstore link down in the description where you can check out the 6 volumes of the Cat 2 journals out of Lovecraft's Providence, also available in the hardcover omnibus edition. We've got the Dirges of the Alabaster Kings, the Saturnalis Thraulmorin, and the Lost Cypria, as well as our artificial psychoanalysis of desiring machines. Pick up our Alchemy and Anthroposophy in the Dune Saga, as well as our Alchemical Courtship in the Dreamland Saga, of Volume 1 of which is soon to be adapted into the Celophaeus comic book series. Go check out our Patreon for more details on that. Thank you all for your support. Check out the bookstore link in the description. Now back to the show. That's going to wrap it up for the video. Thanks for watching, and thank you for making it to the end. Check out our Patreon. Check out our bookstore down in the description. Check out all of our other gameplay videos, and if you like and subscribe, ring the bell. You'll get notified when we get the Thorn watch on the tabletop. Stannis versus Renly. It should be pretty interesting. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.